If you are a CA intermediate student who was earlier preparing under the existing scheme of education and now you are planning to do the preparation under the new scheme of education, what is the right way for the preparation? What should be the change in the approach to the preparation for May 2024 and November 2024 attempt? One major change that you will have to make in the approach to your preparation is the coverage of the subject. Because of the introduction of the MCQs, now you will have to cover more areas because the MCQs can be asked from anywhere. So you will have to study in depth now. This is the major change that you will have to make in your attitude, in your preparation strategy for the CA intern new course subjects. Now the MCQs are there in each and every subject, whether it is costing or in those subjects where earlier there were no MCQs. But now with 30 marks of MCQs, you cannot risk those 30 marks. So you cover those 30 marks. Those are the bonus marks with no negative marking. You will have to change this attitude, sir. You will have to prepare the subjects in depth now. And this is what we are doing in our regular courses for May 2024 and November 2024. So you can join the courses for in-depth coverage and the ultimate practical knowledge with the real life examples from our website, that is www.ksjteaching.org. So all the best for your preparations under the CA Intermediate new course, whether you are preparing for May 24 or November 2024 attempt.